cowman should be friends. Oh, the farmer and the cowman should be friends. One man likes to push a plow, the other likes to chase a cow, but that's no reason why they can't be friends. Territory folks should stick together, territory folks should all be pals. Cowboys dance with the farmer's daughters, farmers dance with the rancher's gals. Territory folks should stick together, territory folks should all be pals. Cowboys dance with the farmer's daughters, farmers dance with the rancher's gals. I like to say a word for the farmer.
Say it.
He come out west and make a lot of changes. He come out west and built a lot of fences, and built them right across our cattle ranges.
Those trucks got to stay in Missouri where they belong.
Yeah.
We got just as much right here as you do.
Shut up. Shut up. The farmer is a good and thrifty citizen. No matter what the cowman says or thinks, you seldom see him drinking in a bar room, unless somebody else is buying drinks. But the farmer and the cowman should be friends. Oh, the farmer and the cowman should be friends. The cowman ropes a cow with these, the farmer steals her butter and cheese, but that's no reason why they ain't be friends. Territory folks should stick together, territory folks should all be pals. Cowboys dance with the farmer's daughters, farmers dance with the rancher's gals.
I'd like to say a word for the cowboy.
Oh, you would?
The road he treads is difficult and stony. He rides for days on end with just a pony for a friend.
I sure am feeling sorry for the pony.
The farmer should be sociable with the cowboy. He rides by and asks for food and water. Don't treat him like a louse. Make him welcome in your house.
But be sure that you lock up your wife and daughter.
Oh, who don't know a farm woman anyway?
Notice you married one, so's you could get a square meal.
You can't talk to our women folk that way.
He can say what he wants to.
Ain't nobody slugging out anything. This here's a party. Sing it, Andrew. Dum diddy dum dum.
The farmer and the cowman should be friends.
Sing.
Oh, the farmer and the cowman should be friends.
Sing.
One man likes to push a plow, the other likes to chase a cow, but that's no reason why they can't be friends. And when this territory is a state and joins a union just like all the others, the farmer and the cowman and the merchant must all behave themselves and act like brothers.
I'd like to teach y'all a little saying and learn these words by heart the way you should. I don't say I'm no better than anybody else, but I'll be damned if I am just as good.
I don't say